Hey everyone, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about the update of Odoo 18.2, and we have a new feature of course organization in the point of sale of Odoo 18, which is an expected feature of Odoo 19. A course in a restaurant refers to a specific part of the meal that is served separately. A full course meal consists of multiple courses typically served in specific order. So let's dive into the restaurant. Over here you can just go to continue selling. Over here in the POS interface we can find a tab called um courses. So currently you can choose the area or the table that you just want to make the order, and here you can find a new option called course. So currently I would like to consider the first course, that is the starter, as iced. So let me add that, and I just want to give an order to the kitchen to make it prepare. So let's go to the fire course over here, and here you can see we have just given the order. Now, under this table, we can also just add the other one. So here you can see the course. So that is the main course, where you can just add the other things like spicy tuna sandwich. And if you want to just add any other things, you can also easily add that. Now here you can see that we can just go to the orders, and from here you would be able to find that there is something in the fire order. So let me consider the table, and here you can see we just need to fire the course. So here you can see we have just fired, and when you just move on to the orders you can find the other details over here. So our the orders here you can see that under this we have the course 1 as well as course 2, and we just need to load the order. So let me load the order and make the payment. So here you can see that the customer is just going to make the payment through the cash, and in this case you can also just need to get the invoice. So enable this box and let's choose a customer. I would like to choose a customer as Alexa Laza, and let's click on validate, and here you can find the change. So here you can see the customer ordered item and everything. So that's how we just deal with the organizing of the courses in Odoo 18.2 point of sale. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.